Hi friends, this is Mrs. Williams. I'm here to help you with week 4, day 1 of sound and spelling practice found in your DCPS distance learning packet. Today we will be learning suffix ed and suffix ing. We will practice reading words with the suffixes. Let's get started. A suffix is an ending that can be added to a base word. For example, help plus suffix ed equals helped. Help plus suffix ing equals helping. When suffix ed is added to a word, it means that it already happened. Dan helped Dad with the groceries. In this sentence, Dan provided help to his dad in the past. It already happened. When ing is added to a word, it means that it is happening now. Dan is helping Dad with the groceries. In this sentence, Dan is providing help to Dad in the present. It is happening now. Let's try our activity. Read the words, circle the suffixes ed or ing. Then write whether the word is happening in the present, ing, or whether it happened in the past, ed. Write the word in a sentence. The first two are done for us. Okay, let's see. Okay, I see smelled. Smelled has an ed ending. That means it happened in the past. I smelled the roses yesterday. Let's look at the next one. Resting. At the end of the word, I see ing. That means it's present. My mom is resting on the couch. Okay, great examples. Let's do a couple together. Dumped. What's the ending on dumped? Ed. Okay, I know that ed means that it happened in the past. What sentence can I write? My baby dumped the crayons on the floor. Oh no. Let's try another one together. Let's look at twisting. Looking at the end of the word, I see ing. Let's circle it. I remember ing means present, that it's happening now. Let me think of a sentence. I am twisting the string on my bracelet. Awesome. Thanks for practicing with me. Now it's your turn. Look at the words that are listed below. You can find them in your packet. Write whether each of these is present or past tense. Don't forget to circle the endings. That will help you to decide. Then write a sentence for each word. Have fun and do your best. Thanks, guys. Bye.